Hello, this video tutorial will show you how a website can be published within Easysitebuilder. I'll select a template and show you exactly how to publish a website using the Easysitebuilder. To publish a website, first you must be logged into Easysitebuilder product page. For this example, I'm going to select a brand new template to publish. Users should select the website that they wish to upload. You can modify as you like or create your own unique website. Before publishing, double check that all your content is ready and that all pages have been named correctly. You should also check the website's layout. Remember, you can select Optimize for widescreen, desktop, tablet, and mobile phone. Ensure that these are all checked. Again, if there are no other tweaks to be made and you are satisfied, then it is time to publish. Go to the top of the navigation menu and select the first option called Publish. There you have it. Your website should now be live. The website is now online and this only took a couple of seconds. Go ahead and type in the website's URL or domain name into a new tab to check if everything was updated successfully. Thank you for watching.